Hey guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix your skin tone in Affinity. So as an example, we are going to take this sample image and turn it into this image. So in this tutorial we are going to use only one layer. So if you are interested in such kind of editing, keep watching. Welcome back in Editing in Affinity. I am Vineet, the host of this channel. So before starting actual editing, if you are here for very first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press notification bell next to it. So whenever I upload new video, you will be notified. Now if you have already an image that you want to work with, you can open it in the Affinity, or you can download this image from the link given in the description below. So I already opened this image in Affinity, and the very first thing that I am going to do is of course make a duplicate copy of the background. And the sole reason behind doing this is to see the before and after editing. Okay, so I already make a duplicate copy of background by pressing command or control J and rename it like before and after. Okay, now I'm going to work on this after layer. Of course, make sure you select after layer, go to adjustment panel and select selective color. Okay, so now we are going to change this yellow to this natural skin tone. Okay, so from this drop down menu, make sure you select yellow. Okay, and from these four colors, cyan, magenta, yellow and black, we are going to change yellow first and then cyan, magenta and black. Okay, so reduce yellow slider up to you can see the little bit of skin tone. Okay, so like this, decrease black level as well. Now cyan and magenta is very similar to red and green. Okay, so as you can see there is a lot of green and red as well, so we are going to change that as well a little bit, not much. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Change black slider as you like. Okay, now after you've done this, just close this dialog box and let's see the before and after first. Okay, and I think you can't see the change when I'm doing selective color adjustment, just because I have turned on this before layer. Okay, so this one is the after version and this one is the before version. Let's do it again. Okay, by turn it off, let's delete this one and go to adjustment, choose selective color. Okay, now choose yellow color from the drop down, change yellow slider. Okay, like this. Now change the cyan and magenta a little bit. Okay, now what I'm going to do is the make a mask of it, just to bring this color back. Okay, so make a white mask by clicking on this mask icon. Choose a brush by pressing B on your keyboard. Make sure your foreground color is set to black. Increase brush size and paint on the image except her face. Okay, so we only want to skin tone in on her face. Okay, so we are going to skip the painting on her face like this. Okay, after you have completed this step, let's add one more layer to see it look good, image look good. Okay, so select move tool, select after layer, go to adjustment layer and select curves. Okay, now in curves we are also going to change the CMYK and from that select yellow. Okay, now from this part show the shadows of the image and this one is the highlight. If you reduce it, it will make a black, and if you increase from this part, it will make it white. Okay, so we are going to increase a little bit. Okay, not too much. And from this if you want to increase the highlight or decrease highlight. Okay, so this one shows the shadows and this one shows the highlight. Okay, so we are going to increase a little bit as well. Okay, let's see the before and after of the image. So this one is the before, as you can see, and this one is after. Okay, I hope you like this short video, and that's all for today's guys. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your photographer friends who want to change the skin tone of their model. I will meet you soon. Till then, stay fit and stay editing.